Good morning and welcome to another vlog. So today is Tuesday and it is the morning after Boris Johnson has told everybody to stay at home. Basically he was on the TV last night, Monday night, and he was just like, stay home unless you need to go to work, or you need to go to the shops, or you need to go to the park to exercise. So basically he was like, stay at home unless you don't want to. The world is going crazy, like it's so hard to deal with, but then you kind of like are just taking it as it comes, because what else can you do you know what I mean? But you know what, I'm actually kind of enjoying this time at home because it's making me feel like, you know, you appreciate everything else more. And you know, I'm spending quality time with my kids. I'm sitting on the sofa watching TV every evening. You know, like you can't really complain about the situation, obviously, unless you put yourself at risk. Which, guys, don't do that. Don't go out unless you really need to. Like, why are you going to put yourself and your whole household in danger by going out and then coming back, maybe transferring this disease with you? Because look how fast it's spreading. This is not a joke. Like, people are still taking it so lightly. Like, people on the tubes, oh my god, did you see those pictures of people on the tubes? That is just disgusting. Like, they were literally touching each other. Oh my god, it's crazy. I'm kind of scared to go food shopping and things like that, so I'm going to try my best to get delivered food. Morrison's are doing this thing where it's like £35 for a box of essential home stuff, like cleaning stuff and household items and food, but you just have no idea what's going to be in the box, so I don't know whether to risk it or not. But it would be a better option than going out. That is for sure. People are saying, oh, it's okay to go to like national parks and things like that, but for me, I don't think that is a good idea, because even like, it's just risking it. There's no point of risking it for what? Like, this is not a joke. I keep saying it's not a joke because it's not a freaking joke. Like, seriously, just stay at home. Let the doctors and the nurses and everyone doing their jobs so that we can stay at home. My sister has to go to work and she says that it's packed in there. Like, it doesn't need to be packed in there. Like, who needs to be, I don't know, who needs to be going out that much? Like, you just don't need to. Just stay at home, people. Just stay at home. I don't know, guys, you need to just be careful, okay, because we're just heading somewhere that we don't want to be. What a light thing to bring up in the morning. Today is obviously another day and we have no plans, so we're just going to be going with the flow and doing what comes to mind. I have a wash to put on, which is so nice. Like, I feel like washing is very little these days. I feel like I've got like half a load because I haven't been getting the kids changed out of their pajamas all day. I'm just like, stay in your pajamas, change them at night, fresh pair in the evening before you go to sleep after you've had a bath, so that they can wear that for the rest of the next day. But I don't know, is that kind of gross, or are you doing that too? Because I just feel like that is the easiest option right now. I don't even know. Right now I'm about to make myself a coffee. I haven't even had coffee yet and I'm starting the vlog. So the kids are playing outside in the garden. It is a beautiful day. I'm literally in a t-shirt and it's not even cold. Issa's playing with his favourite car thing. Wow, good job. Should we move this out of the way? And Elisa is... What are you doing, Elisa? Are you playing tennis?
I want to play tennis with you.
Okay, come on then. We'll play tennis in a second.
You throw and then I...
Are you ready?
No, first we need to go deeper then.
Okay.
First we need to get my racket.
Mm-hmm. Ready? Hold it down. So you have to hit it upwards. Okay, ready? We need to practice that.
Yeah.
Let's try one more time. Ready? Downwards. And you have to hit it up lightly, okay? Ready? No, look, hold it flat so I can throw it onto the racket, okay? Ready? Yay!
Now I need to do this.
Okay, 1 sec. Let me put my camera away and then I'm coming. Ready? Yes! Ready? Wow! Ready? Yay! Issa's turn, ready? Yay! So I have been doing a 7-day workout from YouTube, and it's like 10 minutes a workout, and it's really good so far. I'll post the link to it in the description of this video so you can go and check it out if you want to. Today I did it outside. My yoga mat's outside because I did it there, and I've been enjoying it a lot. I'm probably going to do like a weights workout as well, because I feel like I just want to kind of do as much as I can just to keep my sanity, do you know what I mean? But also yesterday, Elisa's nursery messaged saying that they had work for them to do on the website. So I'm going to go on the website and see what she can do from the website, and then we can just kind of do that today. And we did it a bit yesterday, but we didn't focus on it properly because we were already busy doing our own things. Still out of breath from the workout. But yeah, today's going good so far. We've just been chilling outside for ages because it's such a beautiful day. Like, I've got the door open and everything, and we had ice creams in the garden. We were playing tennis, and it's just nice. It's fun. Elisa wants to play hide and seek now, so we'll probably go play hide and seek around the house with her. Yeah, that's what's going on. I'm coming to find you. Ah! That wasn't a very good hiding place.
It was. I guess behind my legs now.
Okay. Go on, hide properly then. Go on.
You count.
1, 2. You count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I see you there. Nana, mama. Mommy, I was hiding there.
I know, I copied your place.
If
so
somebody's
funny.
hiding in the same place, we're gonna eat each other.
Eat each other.
Like that.
Like that. Okay. So Elisa is going to do some writing on here because we want to switch up her learning a little bit and do something on here. I've got a load of clothes to put away there. Forget about that for now. But we're going to do this first. What are you going to do? What's that? Ooh, what is it?
It's a plant that Paw Patrol seen the dragon did.
Wow, that's really cool. Should we do some letters?
Nope.
We are going to be doing A, B, C. So, you have to copy them at the bottom there, okay? Go on.
No, I don't want to.
Go on, do it. Come on. Let's do this first.
No.
No, why not?
Because I don't want to.
Yeah, but we need to learn. Come on.
I want to do
This you can only have to do this. You only have to do this a little bit, and then you can stop.
I
Okay.
want to do A for Elisa at the bottom.
Okay. Do an A for Elisa. That's not A.
No, I'm gonna do a girl. That gives
Okay. Are you gonna draw yourself, Elisa? Cute.
and then somebody.
Lovely.
Death.
Mhm.
I'm not gonna be
B for ball.
Let me draw a ball. A big ball that Lisa wants to play with.
Okay. And then what begins with a K?
Cat.
Can you draw a cat?
Nope.
Yes, you can. You've drawn a cat before.
But can you do it with me, please?
No, you. I want to see how you do it, and then Mummy will do one after. Okay? Elisa first. Perfect. Perfect. Wow. Oh my gosh. That is such a cool cat. Do whiskers. Wow. That is perfect. Well done. I love it. So this is Elisa's Elisa, ball and cat. I love it. Now would you like to write the letters?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So it is a little bit later and we are just still been playing in the garden. We're just having so much fun. Honestly, this sun is a blessing. Alhamdulillah, thank Allah for everything, because you know, little things like this just make your day so much better. Like my day is just improved a lot because of the weather. Just because of the weather, how simple and good is that? It's just what we need basically in this horrible time. It's some sun to cheer us all up. But the kids have just been playing. Elisa's just gone back inside now and we've been doing some boxing. We've been doing some, I've been doing some weights, and Issa's, oh, go forward, Issa, go forward. But anyway, I'm going to go inside and make their lunch now. They're just gonna have a cheese sandwich. So simple, but you know, gotta be simple because we ain't got food to waste. Don't want to be going out. But yeah, that's what's happening now. I'm gonna put my fat camera on charge for a bit. Guys, imagine being a cat. So me and Elisa are going to do some jigsaws before we make dinner. I've just edited a vlog, uploaded a vlog, also started editing another vlog. And that was while the kids were having lunch, and then now we're just sitting here doing this, and then we're going to start making dinner. We're having fajitas for dinner, and I don't have any fajita seasoning, so I'm going to be making my own, which I don't know how it's going to turn out. I need to find a recipe with things that I already have in my cupboard, because I don't know what you need for fajita seasoning, like paprika. I think you need like smoked paprika or something, but I'm hoping there's a recipe without smoked one, because I don't have that. But anyway, we're going to be doing this jigsaw. It's a My Little Pony jigsaw, so that's going to be fun. Now we are playing the Baby Shark game. This is the most annoying game that I have ever purchased in my life, but I will leave the link in the description just in case you guys want to be annoyed as much as I am. So this is the fajita chicken that I've made, and the seasoning is actually really nice. It's quite spicy, so the kids are not gonna really like it. I'm gonna have to wash the chicken a little bit for them, and it's come out really nice, but I would have added less chili if I knew how spicy it was gonna be. I'm heating the wraps up on here just because they were in the freezer, so I want them to be a little bit warmer and softer than just sticking them in the microwave, as in like a crispy coating kind of thing. So I'm going to do that and then put them into a tea towel. So the kids are now asleep. They had a bath, I had a shower, and it was just crazy. They just fell asleep now, so I'm gonna end the vlog now. I hope you guys are all okay. I hope you're holding up okay at home. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're all doing well. Stay home, stay safe, save lives. But thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.